This is my brother's Bmw 125i and it has a slight problem. Okay, maybe calling it a slight problem is a bit of an understatement, but we really need to get this car sorted as soon as possible because this is a daily driver. Keep thing. Whatever, it's almost like a cam lock, I think. Here is it. See, it's for N55, N53, and N54, N51, and N52. So we're going to be just using this one. And then, I don't know how it works, but I know this stuff is like supposed to keep, this stuff keep the cams, no? Or what? But I know this stuff here, I saw in a video, there's like the locks that go into the flywheel and then don't move. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. You know, I don't work on BMWs, but now, you know, I've moved on from that car there. I must take all these panels off here at the back and then tap it cover. I think the injectors have to come off. No, the injectors can stay on. And then just everything else here on the tappet cover must come off. Then we can take off the tappet cover and do whatever this thing is supposed to do. The rubber tabs, I think you just pull back. Yeah. One bolt at the cabin filter. The one times only have one, no? Oh, they both only have one. This was in the middle. It just comes out. Unplug these sensors. I think this is like, what sensor is this? Okay, there we go. What is the sensor? It's like a microphone. Here we go, the side is out. This is metal, this thing is heavy. So that is if you take that live, or is it that live of them?
Two lives, yeah.
Two lives there on the left side, and this whole black thing here comes out.
Yeah, then just plug all the 12 packs out. Here we go. I don't think so. You know why? See here, the wires is loose here, no? And it goes straight over into here.
It's like a box. See, here's the fan out. It's massive, look here. In my hand alone.
It's like almost it's like a 4-cylinder with 160.
Maybe it's because that, what size is that? What is 3 liter?
That's big stuff. It's 2 J's or 3 liter.
Maybe it's just longer down. Was
German engineering, man. They can do this stuff. Like a Golf motor, GTI motor is so small. That's why everything is like so tight.
yeah.
Everything reminds me of.
Well, this is actually, you are right, it is very small. Like, if I compare to the Honda's engine.
2J or another straight 6.
Yeah, even like the 4-cylinder, like the Honda. It look like the same size, maybe just one piston. Like I say, maybe it's because it's longer, man. The ball from the piston stroke stuff is come deeper down, and that will make it.
But it's a high doing straight 6 though. People reverse out to 8 soon.
You're 8.
I saw a video of it.
8.
Normally when they work at the river to 7.7.
Uh,
And I must do 2J limit, I think it was a 7.7, huh?
yeah. And some is in the 7s.
No, you must first turn this out, no? This is off. The thing won't come out. Then you turn here, then it pushes the motor out.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We just think about it, we loosen this and it's resting on the cam gear. It's like so with one gear that is resting.
No, you must turn this.
We loosen it and we turn it loose and it's going to push it out.
So clockwise.
That's it. You got it. Just must turn molecular resistance here.
But just resetting it.
Everything can serve as made.
Okay.
Resistance.
So now we loosen. This is the one a bit smaller than this.
Gasket,
Only
guys.
this gasket here, no? This round gasket seal against your pump. So whatever oil is laying on this side is coming between the gasket and the
I
pump.
know where the oil is coming from. I'm saying I thought maybe the rubber goes through. towards the
You'll
other
see when you
side.
take the cover off and we can have a look how.
I think you must take the whole thing out. But don't both faster at the back, no?
Usually.
I think we got it. Look at this side out. Yeah, I see it hacking something at the back.
Well, there's something sounded like it fell now.
There's a socket there, my bro. A E16 socket. What the heck? Why is it this? There's the E16. E16 for washing machine.
Nog over de smaller ratchet.
You see this? So is there a gatje there or what?
It's mad.
Is it back in there?
Hey, this bolt. See ya. Like, you must get the bolt there in the corner, and then those things in your way, and the engine's at the angle. And just, I'm supposed to get it out.
Oh, you look horrible.
But this bolt it is loose. It's crazy. Loose
How
can
makkelijk goes in the cut because the stangen are losing oil pressure.
Hopping.
Huh, no ball coach.
Fuck on.
Pirate games.
Let the rod go down now.
I remove it now. Return it there.
Now wait a minute. Okay. This same thing.
Now where's the buckle? Supposed to
I'll
be.
show you now. You see after that slot on the flat part of the camera top.
I think I must have gone that one maybe. Maybe the ball coach is off.
Yeah, because it is kind of old.
Oh, here's the ball
Yeah.
coach.
Okay, look. There's a switch in there, there's a switch there.
Something in the way.
The thing is good in there.
So
The intake,
it
the
is-
exhaust is not lining up.
So it is right.
There's a bit out. Okay, there you go in now. Okay, there you go in.
But it's not going in easy enough.
No, but it's going in.
The one side is the lower one.
Yeah, maybe the cams is lined up, but the crank is.
Not force it in.
That's what I say. So we loosen it and then we line
No,
it
we
up.
still just lock it at the back to see the crank timing is right.
Yeah, the crank timing is right.
You see?
Put it at the back.
Sitting at the tool now.
The car tool just is fit so jump. It's like a BMW.
Ja, dat was het verlas. We zijn al toegerings mee.
Al talking.
Okay.
Zo.
Just to make it big almost, we don't have to make it big those. Life hack, always use a torque wrench to untorque your bolts. I don't teach you this in the academy. Huh?
Yes.
See, I think like easy.
Was het tighten het up hier? Tighten dit, tighten dit.
There's a picture of the actual car, bro.
Is it?
Before it left Germany, see the number plate still German.
Oh,
More about your BMW.
yeah.
So this is clearly mine.
I just take the turbos out and no more direct injection.
I didn't think I did this car before. No.
Like I said, didn't make the cam caps even
What
fast.
to put the turbos back on? What to put the turbos back on and the bolts?
See, the timing is now, should be good. How much is that by? Like a little.
Tandje.
But that is included.
Yeah.
It's like a tooth here. No, if you think about the distance, like on a pedal driven, it's like a tooth.
So you see, there's two cam sensors that under the stuff that I told you, explain to you, man.
Now what you can do with Sol don't fix anything.
And pause it and blow it.
Yeah,
And
meter is
who
on.
came in drinking milk, maybe? Like I'm grown
Is it milk?
It's milkshake, but I'm gonna be eating it. I can't go on the YouTube.
V8.
This bolt going too long.
Is it ratchet?
The cordless one. You see, then you have the bolts at the back.
We'll take the exhaust on or so.
Yeah, might
It's
as
already
well.
off now.
See.
Okay, how fast, yeah. I can't see the whole thing.
Turns on more, so it's close to the something like it. In the top one. See where this stuff is.
Green here, boy.
Is there a way that this go on?
That stuff
What do you mean?
Yeah, but there's a certain way.
For the key.
You see, it's got this thing on there.
If you look on the cam, there's a
There's
groove.
no key ways on this stuff.
Oh no, but the cams isn't right now, so this go on however. Remember that the cams is locked. So however, this can go in like this, or like this, or like this. Once it's fast on the cam,
No, what is that then? This one, it marks on me. But what I know is I saw this arrow from the side showing that one, so I'm going to put this
I
one.
don't know, more have a key, no?
Yeah. But this is just floating on the Una got in.
Yeah.
Like with the belt is in
Because the
so.
timing is in now, so it can't.
Cut this cable there, huh?
Then I saw it at this thing here, whatever that thing is called, I forgot now. You see here on it, the PCV valve. I see there's this thing on it, but it's like there's supposed to be like some type of pipe on it. Or is it just kinda like, does it just sit open? Because I watch videos and I can't find anything of it. Alright, now it's time to put the head on. I think that's it. Right, everything. We took down the bolts in front. Yeah. You must see if the car still has a must. The car still has a must then. What did Daddy think it is if the car still have a must?
Let's just give up.
Tap the cover on. Now we just need to make him tight. Alright guys, everything is on. I'm supposed to be. Let me see, put them in the coil pack.
She was all.
It is in line. My one went down here already. That's a good thing. And that's Masiana. Notch, yeah, the notch lines up.
Put your plugs in.
What is that? Oh, I think it's messed up. Bro, what is that? Hey, you stay away from me. Need you help with something in the garage, please? And now it is time to see if all our hard work really fixed this issue. Let's see, let's see. And unfortunately, the problem was still there. We tried clearing the codes on the ECU and taking the car for a drive to see if it just had to calibrate, but the problem was still there. If you guys do have any suggestions for what you may think the problem is, please leave a comment below so we can fix this thing, because like I said, it is a daily driver. I also list everything we did on the car before I recorded this video. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and go check out the second channel linked in the description as well.